Okay. Good morning, student. Okay. So today we are doing chapter number 7 of EVS. Our festivals. Okay. Our festivals means we are celebrating various festivals in India. Okay. So today we will learn the various festivals we are celebrating in our India. Okay. Festivals are times of joy and fun. Okay. Fun and joy. Okay. What the reason behind the festivals? Okay. What we are celebrating? When we celebrate now, all the people they come together as a community. They bring love and joy. People wear new dresses. Okay. Greet each other and enjoy special days. Okay. Special days means we are celebrating any festival. We make some special dish. We celebrate many festivals. Some of them are religions festivals. In this part I have written all the religion festivals we are celebrating, and some are national festivals, and I have written here some national festivals. Okay. Firstly, Dussehra. Okay. Dussehra is celebrated in the month of October or November. Okay. When we are celebrating in the month of October and November, it marks the victory of good over evil. Okay. And this is marked why we are celebrating the victory of good over evil. This festival is for 10 days. People recall the story of Lord Ram's life in Ram Leela. Okay. And what is the reason behind of celebrating Dussehra? People recall the story of Lord Ram, okay, in life, how Lord Ram has defeated the Ravan, okay, and how he got the victory of good over evil, okay. On the 10th day, if means Putla of Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad, okay, these were the ifs and burn it. Dussehra is also called Vijayadashmi. Okay. In the second, what we are calling the Dussehra as a Vijayadashmi also. Now, Diwali. In India, everyone loves to celebrate Diwali. Okay, and we call it the festival of light. Diwali comes after Dussehra, after 20 days after Dussehra. We celebrate in the honor of Lord Ram return to the Ayodhya, where that is home. Okay, and we celebrate Diwali after the defeating the Ravan. Okay, and we people what they doing? They decorate their house at the night. They worship this one Ganesh. Okay, Lord Ganesh and Goddess Lakshmi. Okay, for good means for the good health. Okay, and they light with the diya. Okay, and the many children they burn the crackers, and we have lot of sweets to eat. Now Eid is celebrated for the Muslim. Okay, Ramzan we are calling. They having a fast of Ramzan for 1 month. They pray and worship, and they having the special dish when the Eid come. They having sawiya to eat. Okay, and they hug each other and greet and they wishes each other. Okay. Now Christmas. Okay. Now Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. It is the celebration of birth of the Lord Jesus Christ. Okay, mostly this Christmas is celebrated by the Christian community. Okay, Christian religion. Okay, but in 24th December is the Christmas Eve. Most of the people they make cake. Okay, Christmas cake, and they're giving gifts each other. Okay, cards of Christmas, decorating their house, Christmas tree, and what we are calling the making that Santa they love, okay, when the Santa Claus come, okay. They think that at the night Santa Claus will come and he will give us a gift, okay. Now Gurpurab, okay, mostly the students who belong to the Christian community, and this one, sorry, to the Sikh community, okay, they know their gurus, na, they have 10 gurus of Sikhism, and they are celebrating their Gurpurab, like Guru Nanak Dev Ji, okay, their birthday is coming, and Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji, okay, their birthday coming. What they doing? They taking out the floors and taking the holy, that Guru Granth Sahib, okay, in the floor, and they worship. And in the Gurdwara they having the part, and they having the langar also, okay. Durga Puja, this is celebrated in West Bengal. Durga Puja, it is she is the goddess, okay, Durga Mata we are calling. They having the pandal and they go to the dance and enjoy, okay. Ganesh Chaturthi, okay, in Maharashtra the most of the people they worship Lord Ganesh Ji. They bring the idol of the Ganesh Ji at home, and they keep and they worship, and the next after 2-3 days they take to the Ganesh Ji, okay, as a visurgin, okay. Now Holi, in India we are playing Holi in the month of March, okay. We celebrate the Holi in the month of March. It is the color, okay, color of the festival we can say, okay. We are eating gujia, okay, and we hug each other and we wish each other happy Holi, we are saying, okay. It's mainly for the spring season, okay. The winter has gone, now we are welcome to the spring season, okay. And we color each other like with the gulal, and most of the children they taking out the pitchkari and spray the color, okay. So now Baisakhi, this Baisakhi is celebrated in the month of April. It is made for the harvesting season, okay, as a celebration of the harvesting season of the wheat, okay. In Punjab we are celebrating. Now Pongal, okay. Now what is the meaning of Pongal? This is celebration of Tamil Nadu, okay. It's celebrated for the 3 days, okay. They cook it in one, that they take the pot and they cooking the rice. When the rice fall out, they sing Pongal, okay. They worship the cow, okay. This is mostly celebrated in Tamil Nadu, okay. Onam, okay. Onam is celebrated in Kerala, okay. They have the boat racing, okay. Now we will go through the national festival. The first one is Independence Day, okay. We are celebrating our Independence Day on 15 August, okay. Why we are celebrating? Okay, on this day India got freedom from the British rule in 1947, okay. In 1947 we got the freedom, okay, from the British rule. The Prime Minister was the national flag hostess Harana, okay, at the Red Fort in New Delhi, okay. The Prime Minister, okay, PM, he hosts the national flag. Now Republic Day, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January, okay, because on this day we having a constitution. We can call total independent day because we form a constitution of our own India, okay. On this day a big parade is held at Rajpath near the India Gate in New Delhi, okay. Parade we are having, okay. There is a celebration, all the like army, various forces come and they having a parade, and the President of India takes the salute of the parade, okay. The President of India is take the salute, okay. Salute means like this as the parade is going. Now the last one is Gandhi Jayanti. Now Gandhi Jayanti is we are celebrating on 2nd October, okay. Why we are celebrating? We are celebrating as the member of the Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, okay. On this day 2nd October we are celebrating as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, okay. We go to Mahatma Gandhi. Who is the Mahatma father of the nation as Bapu. Okay. Now I hope you have understand this chapter of festival. Which one is the religion festival and which is the national festival. Okay. Till then, keep safe. Okay. And stay home, keep safe and eat healthy. Okay. Then till then, bye bye.